All right, so we're in the home stretch here. We're doing just a couple of examples to kind of wrap things up. We've got ourselves a rational function here. We do note that the numerator, we can factor that. So let's see about doing that. We know we would have 2x and x, and then we need the middle term to be a -1, and we need to be -3. So -3 plus 1, yes, that's going to work. X minus 1, still for denominator, we can't do anything there. Okay, so for domain, we've got to throw out x equal to 1, right? Are there any holes? No, there's none, because there's no common factors in the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, we know we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. Do we have a horizontal asymptote? To this, we say, no, we don't, because the degree of the numerator is higher, and so no horizontal asymptote. Do we have a slant asymptote? Yes, yes we do. So we need to do that division. So we've got 1, 2, -1, -3. All right, so that means our slant asymptote is going to be y equals 2x plus 1. Now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to change my scale on this one again because the numbers are really too big. There we go. Okay, so we have a vertical asymptote at 1, so we're going to put that one in. And we have a slant asymptote 2x plus 1. So if we go over 1, we're going up 2. Over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to kind of connect my dots here. Hopefully close enough, right? Now, do we have any x-intercepts? Well, we can see that from the top, right? We can say, yes, we have x-intercepts when x is equal to -1. And when x is equal to, what's that? 3/2, 1.5. So that's right around there. And do we have an x-intercept? Sure, we've got, let's see if I plug in 0. I don't know what happened there. Let's try, this doesn't want to let me get rid of it, so whatever. We are going to have 0, let's see, -3 over -1, so 0, 3. So we'll put that one in right around there. And then we're going to say, let's connect the dots, right? So we know this one's kind of, well, I missed the line there. Oh, now I'm going to have to deal with it because it won't let me erase it. And then we know it's going to do roughly this on this side. So there we go. We're going to check that by graphing. Let's see here. There we are. Hold on. All right, so what are we graphing here? Y equals 2x squared minus x minus 3 over x minus 1. And we said we had a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. There it is. And a slant asymptote at 2x plus 1. There that one is. And so we can see why, yes, that is what's going on behavior-wise, right? There we go. That is it.